Hi all, so in this video let's see about material handling. So this is the main place where we face a lot of losses during the post harvest handling. So material handling is nothing but after which the harvesting the grains have been, we all know, it is moved and transported, or either it has to be taken from one place to another. So in the olden period time, when we look into it, it was being handled manually. That means the grains were threshed and bagged by human labor only. So whereas the grains were transported several times through storage and milling plants, and the milled food products were conveyed manually to the conveyors. So thus the grains were handled too much, involving increased cost and the human tragedy. So but in modern times, we had already replaced a few mechanical devices in case of human labor, and also it has been taken into account in most of the cases. So material handling, in short, we can tell it is a function of moving the right material to the right place in the right time, in the right amount in sequence, and also in the right condition to minimize the production cost. So this cost of the material handling will estimate nearly 20 to 25 of the total percentage of the total manufacturing labor cost. So the main goals of material handling, so the primary goal is first to reduce the unit cost of production. So for that we have to maintain or improve the product quality, reduce the damage of materials. Then we have to promote safety and also improve the working conditions. In order to promote productivity, we have to keep in mind, either the material should flow in a straight line, use gravity, it is power free, move more material at one time, and we have to mechanize the material handling and automate material handling. So with these goals we have to fix. So the most common types of material devices are nothing but the belt conveyor, bucket elevator, and screw conveyor. So the principle behind these types of material handling equipments is the first, the selection of the proper conveying system plays the major important role for any ease in operation and getting desired capacity for a particular product. So before, when we are selecting into type of the conveying system, we have to look into these principles. First, the characteristics of the products, stability of the conveyor, capacity of the conveying, and the speed rating. So the conveying device has to be selected according to the characteristics of the products being conveyed. So the first point is nothing but the conveying device that we are going to fix for the particular agricultural product should be able to meet with the characteristics of the product also. So next is the stability of the conveyor should be ensured under all normal working and climatic. So if in case in any climatic condition, if there is any change, we have to make sure it does not interrupt the conveying operations due to if any changes in the climatic situation, changes situation. So next is the capacity of the conveying, and the speed rate should be maintained at specified limits. So we have to make sure that the um, carrying or the conveying capacity and this at speed at which the product will move from or convey from one material to the another point have to be regulated, or it can be set at a specified speed limit. So that principle has to be applied. So and the dead load of the conveyor should be low in the relation to the weight of the transported material. Okay, then in a conveying system, possibly of use of gravity should be taken into consideration. So obviously gravitational force only must be used in any conveying system, and the capacity of the handling or the conveying equipment should match with the capacity of the processing unit. So if in case the processing unit has been having more tons, means we have to make sure that it is maintained, it is like it is balancing both the capacity of the processing unit and the capacity of the conveyor. So spillage of the conveyed product should be avoided, of course, because there will be a quantitative loss. Pollution of the environment due to any noise or dust by the conveying system should also be avoided. So we have to make sure the conveying system works smoothly without any spillage or pollution free, or if there is any noise also. Thank you.